Dutch Warthogs fly proudly in the skies of Benelux 2025. The Dutch Air Force fighter squadron known as the Warthogs is once again attracting public attention in 2025. With their bold maneuvers and formidable air power, the squadron is conducting intensive flights in the Benelux region. These air exercises are not merely a display of strength, but also a testament to the Netherlands' readiness to safeguard regional air security. For years, the Benelux region has been recognized as a strategic area in Europe, serving as a vital corridor for air traffic and regional defense. The Warthogs, operating modern multi-role fighter jets, symbolize the resilience of the Royal Netherlands Air Force. Their unique name, inspired by the resilient wild animal, reflects their steadfastness and endurance in operational environments. The 2025 flights over the Benelux skies involve various training scenarios, ranging from air attack missions, patrols, to close-range combat simulations. Each mission is designed to sharpen pilot skills while strengthening inter-unit coordination. The exercise also involves close cooperation with Belgium and Luxembourg, two partner nations within the Benelux framework. The presence of the Warthog squadron in the region's skies underscores the importance of regional security solidarity. The young Dutch pilots in this squadron demonstrate exceptional skill in maneuvering aircraft under various weather conditions, from the thick fog typical of winter to the strong winds of spring. All were handled with exceptional professionalism. Beyond being a military exercise, these flights also serve as a platform for defense diplomacy. The presence of Dutch fighter jets in the Benelux skies reinforces partner nations' confidence in the Netherlands' commitment to maintaining regional stability. The Warthog squadron's flights also attract the attention of civilian populations. Many residents along the borders of the Netherlands, Belgium, and Luxembourg witnessed the roar of the jets as they flew over their cities. For some, it was a moment of pride and security. Behind the impressive display, extensive preparations had been made. From technical maintenance of the aircraft, tactical simulations on the ground, to intensive briefings for the entire crew. Everything was meticulously planned to ensure each mission ran smoothly. The participation of Warthogs in this year's air exercises also reflects the Netherlands' commitment to NATO. As a member of the alliance, the Netherlands continues to demonstrate its readiness to contribute to Europe's collective defense. The Benelux region holds significant importance within the NATO context due to its strategic location. With the presence of the Warthog squadron, the region gains an additional layer of air defense. Additionally, exercises in the Benelux skies strengthen interoperability with allies, with every aerial maneuver, radio communication, and combat strategy tested in a cross-border collaborative format.